Ouch, that hurt. My name is Paul, and I went to hell and back to show you traffic do's and don'ts. Here I go, making my first mistake. Overtaking should happen on the driver's side. Don't do what I did. It's called undertaking, and it's always a bad idea. Where am I now? The worst place you can be, the blind spot. Drivers cannot see me here, and I could be in real danger, so don't risk it. Now take a look at this car. It's way too close to me. That's a common mistake. Drivers, please give cyclists 1 meter of clearance in urban areas and 1.5 meter outside the city limits. Now we're cycling side by side, and that's a silly thing to do. We're 2 cyclists, not 20. Don't do this unless riding in a big group. And we're not even dressed for this. I'm almost invisible, and she has no helmet. Crazy. Get lights, wear bright colors, and a helmet, and that will keep you safe. Can you believe this car? That's a very dangerous move called a right hook, and it could have ended way worse. Drivers, always signal before making a turn. I hope no one else has to experience this. Always double check for cyclists before opening doors. Remember this one, because it seriously hurt. I am a professional stuntman. We did all of this so you'll know how to prevent dangerous situations and share the road responsibly. Stay on the safe side with WeLoveCycling.com.